Okay, what's up? So, my little brother overheated his car. It's his first car. He really doesn't check temperatures, and looks like it was the thermostat that was seized. And with the thermostat being seized, it ruptured one of the hoses. So when we, picked him up on the side of the road, the radiator was completely empty. Okay, that's the start of the problem. Well, the other big problem is because the motor, he pegged it out for like 5 minutes, he said. Because he didn't realize, he said it could have been up to 5 minutes. The problem is that he toasted the spark plug caps. Like, all the wires are breaking, and this, that, and the other. This is the best one that we got out. Still bad. So let me see if I can show you down in there. Let's see. Can't really get a good shot. There's that one. You can see that one's still down in there. This is the one I'm working on right now. But the reason I'm making this video is I found somewhat an efficient way to get that crap out of there. So I'm using a drill. I have a couple extensions. One long one would have worked. And then I have a spark plug end cap, for pulling spark plugs. What I did was I cut these little grooves in, and there you can see some of the rubber cap as it's coming out. Let's see. So that's all the rubber that just came out. And I have it on the drill. And I have the drill set to like 3 on the torque thing, the clutch. And I have it tightening. The reason I have it tightening is because when it catches the torque, the clutch is going to kick in and keep it from tightening it anymore. But it also won't pull the spark plug out and let all this crap go down into the cylinder. So I'm going to tighten it until it catches. Alright. So let's see. Let's see what else comes out this time. Not as much that time. And I'm going to keep doing this until it's pretty good down there, and then I'm going to blow it out with my air compressor. The fact that it's catching is letting me know that it's getting down enough that I can actually mess with the cap of the spark plug, though. So I'll be able to remove it. So I'm just going to keep doing this until I feel that it's good enough to blow it out and then try to pull it out the rest of the way. So now I'm going to continue on with these two and see what happens. I'll give you an update in a minute. Alright, so we use the shop vac instead of just blowing it out. And I had this little can of compressed air versus a compressor because I wanted to use the little straw. And Nick over here had the great idea of blowing and sucking at the same time. So we stuck the little straw in and then sucked it out at the same time. There's cylinder, whatever, 3, 2, 1, whatever. Come on now. There's that one. So they're clean enough to pull. I mean, there's a little rubber that's going to get in there, but it should be able to fit through the exhaust because it's all ground up and stuff. So once the motor's, back together and all that, it should just pop right out of the exhaust. But we're going to pull these real quick, and then I'll show you what they look like pulled out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pull the spark plugs. I'm going to start with the worst ones first. 1, 2. Oop, come on now. Hey, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that. Alright, cool, 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 cool. This is stuck. There we go. There she is. That's beautiful.
And it pulled the plastic out with it.
Yep. Alright. Jesus. That homie was in there. That one wasn't. Alright, pause the video. Had to find these to get this plug out. Hopefully. Oh yeah, it looks good. I mean, it really could have been worse. That just came out. That homie's rough. Alright, cool. So we got those out. Now we can do our compression test. The whole reason we were doing this was, like I said, he pegged out the heat and overheated, but this is what, I mean, it's not the cleanest, but this will work. I was at least able to get the spark plug out, and I mean, I've seen a lot worse. So there's that.